Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. As we saw in the previous video about k-fold cross validation, and we also saw different things that were very much important for the to move forward with k-fold uh, cross validation. In the previous to previous video, we saw about the k-fold cross validation, and we saw there about what is that is test only once bottleneck. So this is one of the problems that arises by the different that can be arise due to the CPU utilization, memory utilization, disk uses. So we will see what exactly this is. And in this video, like in the previous video, we saw about that what are the different steps that can be done, like how we can train the model for the k-fold cross validation, and what exactly k-fold cross validation works as. So with the help of diagram also, I discussed that we have the one document and we just divided it into three documents as well. So on that three documents, we try to perform k-fold cross validation. So in this video, I'm going to talk about first about performance bottleneck. So performance bottlenecks can lead an otherwise functional computer or servers to slow down to a crawl. A term bottleneck refers to both an overloaded network and the state of a computing device in which one component is unable to keep pace with the rest of the system, thus slowing overall performance. So, only as the statement says, the name suggests that is test only once bottleneck, that it will test now only one time about the performance of the bottleneck. But for with the help of k-fold k-fold cross validation, we can check in every iteration what is the performance, and in which case the bottleneck performance is very bottleneck problem is arising very at lowest. So in that case, it basically k-fold cross validation overcomes test only once over bottleneck. And this that is the performance bottlenecks have that five reasons that there where they can be arise, like CPU utilization, machine memory utilization, disk uses, and some other also. And now we will see about that is working of k-fold cross validation. So if we try to understand the working of the k-fold cross validation, then we have the data and we split into 80% and split into 20%, that is tested and training data. After that, we have random assignments, that is a random grouping, that is for the K grouping. And after that, we train the model, and based on this and training the model, we measure the accuracy. This is how the work of the we can say overview of k-fold cross validation is. So from here you can see that the iteration will go on and on. That is tested is defined here. Um, and according to that only trends, that is modeling. And this is the overview of k-fold cross validation. In the next video we will see one example or a demo of k-fold cross validation as well. It will be more clear to you. And for you may get confused, like what is the test set. That test set is dividing like prior to the grouping as well, because in the previous video I told you that the trend set and test set needs to be interchanged, because 100% of samples are for testing the model. So as you can see, a line is written here. So line is that we can use the first fold for testing the model and the rest for the training, and then we can use only the second fold for the testing and the others for the training. So these can be a situation as well, that we have splitted the model prior to the starting of the iteration. That is, we have, in this case we are applying iteration to the only train set, but we are not applying to the test set. Our test set is fixed. But there can be a case where the test set and training set are interchanging, and all the train set and test sets are interchanged at some points, and and we are measuring the performance based on that. So that's all in this video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. So stay blessed, and in the next video I will surely discuss one of the demo of we can say of about k-fold cross validation. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Stay blessed.